Welcome back to English on Air, the podcast where adults learn real-life English in a fun and simple way.
Hello, everyone. Great to have you here again.
Okay, let's start with a very simple question. What do you like to do?
I like movies.
Okay,
Yes, that's it.
and this is exactly the problem.
Yes. Many English learners give very short answers.
Like, I like music. I like football. I like movies. And then silence.
Conversation finished.
But in real life, conversation should continue.
Exactly. So today we will help you. Speak longer, sound more natural, and keep the conversation going.
Yes, by the end of this episode, you will know how to answer, "What do you like to do?" Like a real speaker. Let's imagine a situation. You meet someone for the first time, maybe at work, maybe at a cafe, maybe a new friend. They ask you, "What do you like to do in your free time?"
Very common question.
Let's show a bad example. I'll answer like a beginner.
Okay, go ahead.
"What do you like to do?" I say, "I like football."
And that's all?
"Yes."
So what happens now?
Silence. Awkward silence.
Now let's improve that answer. Same idea, but better.
Okay. "What do you like to do?" "I like football, especially watching matches on weekends because it's exciting."
Much better.
Why is it better?
Because you added more detail, a reason, extra information.
I noticed something important. You used the word because.
Yes, this is a magic word. It helps you explain your idea.
Example. I like music because it helps me relax.
Simple, but powerful.
Let's build a full answer, step by step. Question. What do you like to do? Step 1. I like movies.
Okay, step 2. I like movies, especially action movies.
Step 3. I like movies, especially action movies, because they are exciting.
Now that sounds natural.
But conversation is not only about answering.
Exactly. You should ask back.
Example. I like movies because they are relaxing. What about you?
Or, do you like movies?
This keeps the conversation alive. Let's imagine another situation. You are talking to a friend.
You ask, what do you usually do in your free time?
Answer. In my free time, I usually watch YouTube and spend time with my friends.
Very good. Simple and clear.
Let's focus on the word usually.
It means something you do often. Example, I usually wake up at 7. I usually study at night.
So, I usually watch videos. Sounds natural. Let's try a short conversation. I'll start. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like reading books, especially self-development books, because they help me learn new ideas. What about you?
Nice. In my free time, I like playing football and watching matches. I enjoy it because it's fun and exciting.
See, that's a real conversation. Let's review important words. 1. Hobbies. Meaning activities you enjoy. Example, my hobbies are reading and sports.
2. Free time. Meaning, time when you are not working. Example. In my free time, I relax.
3. Enjoy. Meaning to like something. Example, I enjoy listening to music.
4. Prefer. Meaning, like something more. Example, I prefer tea to coffee.
5. Relax. Meaning to rest and feel calm. Example, I watch TV to relax.
6. Spend time. Meaning, use time doing something. Example, I spend time with my family. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. In my free time, I like to.
I enjoy because
I usually spend time.
I prefer to.
I like. Especially,
What about you?
do you like?
So now you know how to give better answers. Not short, not boring, but clear and natural.
But we're not finished. Because many learners still feel nervous speaking.
Yes. In the next part, we'll show you how to speak with confidence, how to avoid silence, how to keep talking naturally.
Stay with us. Because this is where you become more confident. So now we know how to give better answers. Not just, I like music, but longer, more natural answers.
Exactly. But many learners still have one problem. They know what to say, but they feel shy or nervous.
Yes, that's very common. You understand the question. You have ideas. But when you speak, nothing comes out.
Let's fix that.
Sometimes people try to speak perfectly.
Yes, they want perfect grammar, perfect words. And this creates pressure.
So what should they do?
Think simple, short sentences, clear ideas. Example. Instead of thinking, I need a perfect sentence, just say, I like music. I listen every day. It helps me relax.
3 simple sentences, but very clear. What are connectors?
Words that connect ideas, like and, because, also, but,
Example. I like football and I play every weekend.
or I like reading, but I don't have much time.
Many learners answer and then stop.
Yes. But good conversation continues. Here are 3 simple tricks. 1. Add more information. I like movies. I usually watch on weekends. 2. Ask a question. What about you? Do you like movies? 3. React. Oh, really? That's interesting. Nice.
Let's do a natural conversation. I'll start. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like watching YouTube and listening to podcasts because they help me learn new things. What about you?
I like playing football and going out with my friends. It's fun and relaxing.
Oh, nice. Do you play every week?
Yes, usually on weekends.
That's a real conversation.
Let's talk about a common mistake. People answer with one word.
Yes. Music, football, movies.
This is not enough.
Always try to say at least one full sentence. Better, 2 or 3 sentences.
Confidence comes with practice, not with thinking.
Yes. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Even if you make mistakes,
Mistakes are normal.
very normal. They are part of learning.
Here's a simple daily exercise. Ask yourself every day, what do I like to do today?
Answer out loud. Example, today I want to watch a movie and relax.
Or, today I want to study English and listen to a podcast.
Simple practice, but very effective. Let's review important words. 1. Connector. Meaning a word that connects ideas. Example, I like music and movies.
2. Conversation. Meaning talking with someone. Example, we had a good conversation.
3. Confident. Meaning feeling sure about yourself. Example, I feel more confident speaking English.
4. Practice. Meaning doing something again and again. Example, I practice speaking every day.
5. Sentence. Meaning a complete idea. Example, make full sentences when you speak.
6. Natural. Meaning normal and easy. Example, I want to speak naturally. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. In my free time, I like to.
I enjoy because
I usually,
I prefer to.
I like, and
What about you?
do you like?
Now let's practice full answers. Repeat after us. In my free time, I like watching videos because they help me relax.
I usually spend time with my friends on weekends.
I enjoy listening to music because it makes me happy.
Before we finish, remember this. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English.
Simple sentences are powerful. Short ideas are enough.
Start speaking, even if it's not perfect.
The more you speak, the more natural you become.
So next time someone asks you, "What do you like to do?"
Don't say just one word. Say a full idea. Add a reason. Ask a question back.
That's how real conversations work.
If this episode helped you, share it with a friend who is learning English.
Listen again. Repeat again. Practice every day.
We'll see you in the next episode of
English,
On Air.
keep speaking.
Keep improving.
Bye.
Everyone.